How you doing, fellas? As you can see from the previous video that I put out, having another issue with the mill. I spoke to Woodmizer earlier today, and as usual, they were very helpful. Super happy with their response to it and handling of the situation. They asked me to do a few things, and that's what I'm here doing. You know, I haven't leveled the mill the way they told me to do it, which I realized now after talking to them, I've been doing it the wrong way, and I think a lot of you guys have been doing it the wrong way. I'm not sure. That's just what they're saying, that the correct way to level it is with the string and measuring the carriage off of the string throughout the length of the mill. I've been using my 6-foot level, and that apparently is incorrect. And it kind of makes sense that it's incorrect because it's not the full length. You're not getting a complete picture. It's actually why this was missed in the first place, because I didn't have that 6-foot level until a few months ago. So anyway, here we go. Oh, anyway, the bunk that is bad, that's really bad, is this one right here. And I can't even, I mean, that speaks for itself. This one does go underneath it, but it's pushing up a little bit. I mean, you know, could the string sag over this distance? Sure, that's possible. I could be doing that wrong. However, that thing is really is pretty tight. I mean, this is pretty tight. So this one's not great. Oh, anyway, that's what we got. I mean, you're supposed to measure the blade against the string the whole way down from the end to end. Well, as you can see, I've got lumber on here, so can't really do that right now. I can't do it easily. I was trying to do it with one hand and film at the same time, and it wasn't possible. It kind of doesn't even matter because of that. I mean, that's significant. So that doesn't really matter. Kind of tells you what the issue is right there. So, I mean, look at this board. Isn't that beautiful? It's a nice board. So, that being said, I'm gonna send this off to Woodmizer and talk to them tomorrow. Hopefully, we got this sorted. They're gonna be down somewhere near me in the next month or so. So hopefully we get it resolved when they come down this way, so I don't have to drive up 5 hours. Anyway, thanks for watching, and go Woodmizer.